This is what Dana has decreed the baby tram.
Beep, beep. Chicka, chicka, chicka.
Ryan loves it.
Beep, beep. Chicka, 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 chicka. Woo, woo. Chicka, 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 chicka. Woo, woo. Ready? Chicka, 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 chicka. Woo, woo. Chicka, 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 chicka.
Hi.
The baby tram has had a breakdown.
Oh dear.
Everybody off. Oh no. There's a baby on board still. The only baby, but still.
Oh boy.
He's trying to break the baby tram spleen. Okay, ready? Ready? Back into place. Baby tram is up and running again. Ready? Woo, woo. Chugga, 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 chugga. We made it to our first stop. If you would like to get off here, please say so.
Right, do you want to get off?
You want to get off? I take that as a no. Ready?